Very good morning class 1 and 2. Yes. So now take out your EVS book and now open the chapter festivals. Now today let's learn festivals. Yes. So what are festivals and types of festivals? Right? Yes. So festivals. First point is festival is a special day when people are happy and then celebrate. Festival is a joyful day. And now India is known as land of festivals. Right? And third point is in India we celebrate many festivals. So second point is festivals are Diwali. Diwali is festival of lights. These are some pictures of Diwali. Diwali, one of the most prominent Hindu festivals of India, is celebrated with a lot of pomp and show. During the festival of lights, houses are decorated with clay, lamps, candles and ashok leaves. Now, people wear new clothes, participate in family puja, burst crackers and share sweets with friends, family and neighbors. And it is the most popular festival in India. Second is Holi, the festival of colors. These are some pictures of Holi. Now, also known as the festival of colors, Holi is one of the famous festivals of India. It is celebrated with a lot of passion across the country. On the evening of Holi, people make huge holika bonfires and sing and dance around it. Next is Christmas. This is a picture of Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. 25th December is a big day of the year and Lord Jesus Christ was born on this day. On Christmas, people go to church to offer prayer and they decorate the Christmas tree at their homes and Santa Claus bring gift for children on Christmas. Next is Guru Parv. On Guru Parv, people go to Gurudwara with their families and they pray to Langar is a free meal served in a Gurudwara. Right? Yes. Next is Eid. On Eid, people wear new clothes and go to the mosque to pray. And this is a festival of Muslims. And they wish each other called Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. They eat a special sweet dish called Sivai. Now, National Festivals of India. National Festivals of India are Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th of August. Second is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd of October. Now, first one is Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year and India became free from British rule on this day. Now, Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year and this day India became a republic on this day. Now, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year and Mahatma Gandhi is also called Father of Nation, was born on this day. Okay? Yes. So, these are the some festivals. Okay? Thank you so much class and have a nice day.